Hey, Adam here with 4x4TruckLEDs.com. We've got our brand new F-150 Lightning here. The first upgrade, you know what we had to do with some Baja design reverse lights. Ford tried with their reverse lights, but they just don't do the job. So that is a bolt-on kit with some Baja Designs S2s. We're running the S2 Pros here. Bolts right up with our hardware. I'll kind of show you guys what it looks like back here. So there's the light itself. And we're getting a connection right underneath here is the trailer hitch. We've got a Y cable. It's a pass-through, so you do not lose function of your trailer harness. Bolts right in, taps right in, nothing to cut. All you gotta do is zip tie some wires up, 2 bolts, and you're good to go. This will be available on our website. Well, by the time you look at this video, we'll have this up on the website. So this is definitely a big improvement over the factory reverse lights on these F-150 Lightning. We pretty much do this on all of our trucks, our Raptor, our Bronco, the Lightning. It's one of the most popular mods that we sell on our website. So check it out, 4x4TruckLEDs.com, or you can visit us in Lindenhurst, New York at 190 East Hoffman Avenue. We're open Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m.